Walang naging problema ang Philippine Navy sa isinagawang rotational and resupply mission katuwang ang Philippine Coast Guard noong May 16, 2025. Ayon kay Navy spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, matagumpay nilang naihatid ang mga kailangan ng BRP Sierra Madre na nasa Ayungin Shoal. Anya, bagamat may presensya ng 4 na barko ng China sa lugar, wala namang ginawang agresibong aksyon ang mga ito. Pinabulaanan din ng Philippine Navy ang aligasyon ng Chinese Coast Guard na pinahintulutan nila ang nasabing resupply mission.
Ayungin Shoal or Second Thomas Shoal is a low tide elevation within our EEZ. We have sovereign rights over Ayungin Shoal. BRP Sierra Madre is a commissioned vessel of the Philippine Navy. It is our mandate to provide provisions to rotate the men aboard BRP Sierra Madre. We need not seek permission from any foreign power, much more from one that has encroached into our EEZ. These missions will continue.
Ito na ang ikawalong magkakasunod na RORE mission ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa BRP Sierra Madre nang walang naitatalang untoward incident. Ito ay simula ng magkaroon ng provisional agreement sa pagitan ng Pilipinas at China sa lugar. Sabi naman ni National Security Council Assistant Director General Jonathan Malaya na maganda ang naidulot ng provisional agreement. Sinabi niya ito sa katatapos lamang na dialogue on ASEAN Maritime Security.
Immediately after ignoring our calls for a bilateral consultation mechanism, the Chinese government called and they wanted a BCM meeting. We have it from A1 sources that the reputational damage to the Chinese government was so much that they want to move forward, and the result is the provisional understanding.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.